Hey, chosen one, if you've ever felt different, isolated, or like you don't quite fit in, you're not alone. There's a simple, powerful hack that can help you reconnect with your true self, unlock your inner peace, and start manifesting the life you deserve. This is a mindset shift that will change everything, and it all begins by focusing on you instead of comparing yourself to others. Let's look into how this hack can help you reclaim your power and start attracting what you truly deserve. The hack begins with something we often overlook: focusing on yourself. Too often, we get caught up in comparing our lives to those around us, whether it's how others look, what they have, or where they are in life. This constant comparison robs you of your peace and makes you feel less than you are. But here's the truth: your path is unique, and you don't need to mirror anyone else's journey. When you focus on yourself, you can tap into your own strengths, talents, and potential. Instead of worrying about what others are doing or how they view you, start investing that energy into your personal growth. This shift is not about selfishness, it's about self-preservation and empowerment. You have everything inside you to create the life you've always wanted. Start by carving out time each day to focus on your goals and needs. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply quiet reflection, the more you align with your inner self, the clearer your path becomes. By focusing on yourself, you make room for all the positive changes that are meant to come your way. One of the biggest barriers to focusing on yourself is the need for external validation. We've all been there, looking for approval from others, trying to meet their expectations, or seeking validation in our relationships or careers. We all have an internal conflict, and it's hard to ignore. But here's where the hack really works. When you start to shift your focus away from others and back to yourself, the need for validation diminishes. Validation from others is fleeting and unreliable. It may feel good in the moment, but it doesn't last. True fulfillment comes from knowing who you are, what you stand for, and what you want to achieve. Start recognizing your worth from within. When you trust yourself and your abilities, you begin to attract the right opportunities and people into your life without having to prove anything. A powerful way to break free from seeking external approval is by celebrating small wins, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Each step you take toward living authentically builds your confidence and strengthens your self-worth. This hack will help you realize that you are enough, exactly as you are. The next key part of this hack is practicing self-love. It's one thing to focus on yourself, but it's another to truly love and accept who you are. If you've ever struggled with feelings of inadequacy or self-doubt, you're not alone. But healing and growth start when you can look at yourself with kindness and compassion. Self-love involves treating yourself the way you'd treat a dear friend, with understanding, patience, and care. Instead of criticizing yourself for what you're not, recognize and appreciate what you are. Every unique quality you possess is something to be celebrated. This mindset shift is vital when you want to heal from past wounds and stop comparing yourself to others. A simple self-love practice can be affirmations. Saying positive things to yourself each day can rewire your brain to focus on the positive and appreciate your true worth. These affirmations help you build an inner dialogue that supports growth and healing, strengthening your connection to your authentic self. When you focus on yourself, you can finally let go of the desire to fit in. So often, we feel the need to conform to societal expectations or blend into the background to avoid standing out. But here's the thing, you were never meant to fit in. You were meant to shine in your own way. The hack works by helping you accept your individuality. When you stop trying to mold yourself to someone else's idea of success or beauty, you start aligning with your true purpose. Letting go of the need to fit in doesn't mean rejecting society. It means rejecting the idea that you need to be like everyone else to be valuable. Instead, you define what success and happiness mean for you. Allow yourself to accept your quirks, your unique passions, and your distinct path. Let go of the pressure to keep up with others. The more you accept your individuality, the more the universe will align with you, guiding you toward the life you were always meant to lead. The hack to focusing on yourself is also about changing how you view the world. A positive mindset is essential for manifesting the life you want. When you believe that good things are possible and that you are worthy of them, you begin to attract the energy and opportunities that align with your goals. Start each day with a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of worrying about what you don't have, focus on what you already possess and the blessings in your life. Gratitude is a powerful tool that shifts your focus from lack to plenty, attracting more of what you desire. Positive thinking also helps you navigate challenges with resilience. When you face setbacks, keep in mind that they are simply opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a stepping stone that takes you closer to the life you're meant to create. By accepting a positive mindset, you harness the energy of optimism to manifest your dreams. This hack works by teaching you to trust your inner guidance. You already have all the answers within you, but too often we ignore our intuition or second-guess ourselves. The more you focus on yourself, the clearer your inner voice becomes. Intuition isn't always loud or obvious, but it's always there. It's the subtle nudge that tells you to go in a particular direction or to avoid something that doesn't serve you. Trusting your inner guidance requires quieting the noise around you and learning to listen to your gut. The more you trust yourself, the stronger your intuition becomes. Your inner guidance is always aligned with your highest good. When you follow it, you'll find that you move through life with greater ease and confidence. This hack isn't just about focusing on your goals. It's about trusting that the universe has your back as you move toward them. Another important part of focusing on yourself is setting clear boundaries with others. Sometimes we get so caught up in trying to please everyone that we forget to take care of ourselves. Setting boundaries is a way of protecting your energy and ensuring that you don't give more than you can handle. Boundaries are essential for self-care. Whether it's saying no to a request that doesn't serve you or taking time for yourself when you need it, boundaries allow you to prioritize your well-being. The more you practice this, the more you'll realize that it's not about rejecting others, but about valuing yourself enough to protect your peace. As you set boundaries, you'll notice that the people who truly respect and care about you will understand. Those who don't may drift away, but that's okay, because you'll make space for relationships that honor your growth and individuality. The final part of focusing on yourself is the act of forgiveness. Sometimes our pain comes from holding on to resentment or grudges. Forgiving others and yourself is one of the most powerful ways to free yourself from past hurts and step into the future you deserve. Forgiveness doesn't mean you condone the actions that hurt you. It means you choose to release the grip that pain has on you. When you forgive, you stop carrying that weight and allow space for healing. This is essential for focusing on yourself, as carrying around unresolved anger or guilt will only drain your energy. Forgiveness is also an act of self-love. It allows you to move forward with peace and clarity, no longer shackled by the past. It's not easy, but it's essential for accepting your true power and manifesting your desires. Chosen one, focusing on yourself is the key to unlocking your true potential. When you accept this hack, you'll notice a shift in how you see the world and how the world responds to you. The more you invest in your growth, set boundaries, trust your intuition, and practice self-love, the closer you get to living the life you deserve. You don't need validation from others to know your worth. Your power lies within you, and by focusing on yourself, you unlock everything you've ever wanted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on self-empowerment and manifesting your dreams. You got the